I don't think that I necessarily fit the bill in terms of what a woman from the Middle East looks like. And that is due to the fact that I'm pretty mixed race. And so I find like a lot of things outside of the norm a lot more beautiful than I think other people do, at least where I'm from. So my standard of beauty is kind of like a little bit muddled in between multiple cultures. And so hearing that I don't look Arab is hard. It's so hard because like I identify as Arab. To be ostracized for my look not being Arab enough, that sucks. I said I wasn't gonna cry, but that does suck. A lot. I think when you face beauty bullying or bullying in general, your feelings are completely valid. You can make it through the worst of social media without a support system, but you mentally have to give yourself the okay to not be okay. For me, when it first started happening with me and I had put myself out on social media, I was getting a lot of pushback for my look or my nose ring, which is just not really the norm from where I'm from, and I decided I was gonna give myself a day. So I gave myself a full day. I literally went through every comment, every mean thing, and I went through them and let myself cry. I let myself cry for a whole day, and I was like, this is the only day that I will allow people to get to me. And that was really kind of the last day. Dealing with really bad or negative comments can be really hard sometimes. It's like, now you can leave a comment. I'm still not gonna delete what I put up there. I'm not gonna be deleted. I'm not gonna be like taken off of social media just because you don't like something. I think that's fair.